Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Many people concentrate on our obligations to Allah, and they neglect the obligation towards the people around them. And today we will find out how dangerous it is to just concentrate on one and neglect to the other is not the justice. A man came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, Ya Rasulullah, there is a certain woman that prays the Hajjud, offer prayers. She prays at night and she fasts during all the day and she gives sadaqat to the needy people, so that women have already completed her dues, the first, all the obligations towards Allah. Now she does extra. She pays qiyam every night. She fasts Monday and Thursday and all optional prayers, so that her level in her eyes of Allah is very high, and would be strive to achieve Jannah. The Hadith continues, but she harms her neighbors with her tongue. Yes, she says bad things about them. She maybe abuse them, maybe she backbite them, harm them with her tongue. What was the answer of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He said, there is no good in her. She is from the people of hellfire. Because Allahu Akbar, my brothers and sisters, it shows us that the role of neighbors is very important in our life. The family members, the neighbors, colleagues at work, it is as important as the other obligations, because the woman, she was putting her all efforts, but she harms her neighbors. That means she is going to the hellfire, be punished from Allah Almighty. All these optional ibadah that she performing does not protect her from hellfire. So we have to be extremely careful about every word we say, about every action we do. And another hadith that confirms the first one, which is about one person. Ya Rasulullah said the real ibadah would be person that will come on the day of judgment with salat, with fasting, with sadaqat, but a person, he insult others, he defames others, he unlawfully behaves with others, consume the wealth of others, he said the blood of others, and shed the blood of others. So he does what do but harms people in different manners. Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the person his good deeds would be credited to the account of those he do bad. If the good deeds fall short, and the other sins would be entered in his account, so would be thrown in the hellfire. My brothers and sisters, hadith that starts with someone who prays and fasts and gives sadaqat ended with the hellfire, because he was or she was harming others around them, because he was not a good Muslim. Allahu Akbar. But he cheats, he lies, he slit rumors, he spread rumors, he backbites. Oh, she, mashallah, wear hijab, but not have excellent behavior with neighbors, with her family. She always do bad things. Look at this hadith, my brothers and sisters. It's 100% accurate.